All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So I have the Poetic Affinity series here for the OnePlus 9. And I actually bought this on the 11th, and today's the 12th of recording this video. That is the black with the clear. It is $9.95 and then 5% off, so you get about 50% off. You get 50 cents off. So $9.45 for this amazing case right here. Let's put it on. So this is the OnePlus. So let's pop it open here. I think it's worth 10 bucks. I mean, I've always purchased a lot of cases, and this is no exception. So this is the packaging that it came in here. This is how it comes. Let's put this away. Thinking about buying the OnePlus glass too. Not sure yet though. I think the OnePlus 8T glasses can fit this as well. So here we are. This is the case. Again, the clear and then the black around the sides here. Got the cutout for the microphone there. Your vibrate mute switch is beautifully positioned because it's enough room in there to slide it comfortably. You got your power button. On this side, you have the volume rocker. No texture or anything on there. And this isn't the most grippy case on the sides, but on the back is super grippy right here. You got your port here for microphone, your charging cable, and the speaker out that goes there. And you have these corner protection positions here on each one. This is really, really nice. So let's put the phone in. That feels as good as I thought it would feel. This feels really good. So if you're looking at the camera now, it is deeply recessed in here. So if you lay it flat on the table, it is just fine. And you've got corner protection on each side here. This is really nice. And the phone just looks great in this case. You can see the screen here. Again, lip protection all around. Nice corner protection on there. So if you drop this on the corner, it definitely will save your phone more than likely. So you've got a nice cutout on the top there for the top speaker. Because I reviewed this for the 8T, and it's pretty much the same design almost. It's just a different camera bump on the back. But the vibrate mute switch, the volume rocker switch right here, this is absolutely great. It works very, very well. No problems whatsoever. Power button is nice. Tactile feedback on the volume rocker feels good. Everything feels good. All ports and everything line up perfectly fine. If you have wireless charging, if you like wireless charging, it'll work with this one for you. So I paid $9.45 for this. This is totally worth it to me. $10.25 shipped to my door next day. I think that's great. Really enjoying the phone. I've got lots of videos on it, but this is one that I had to produce for you guys because this is another one of my favorite cases, along with the Rugged Shield. And then the Rinky Onyx is another case that I like as well, that I'll try to purchase that when it's available, but I don't think it's available for this phone yet. So there it is, man. The OnePlus 9, that is a beautiful, beautiful case, straight to the point. This is a must buy as well for $9.45. It's your man Jay. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.